Avicii did this thing with his chords and melodies really well. Like, he was really good at using the arrangement of his song to enhance the vibes and the mood of his chords and melodies and like throw them in your face so that you just get hit in the face with all these Avicii vibes at once. And it really made his sound stick out and very unique to him, to the point where when he was making songs very consistently and I would hear a new song and wouldn't necessarily know it was by him, I would hear the melody and the chords come in and I'm like, okay, this is an Avicii song. So here's what I'm gonna do in today's video. I'm gonna build a simple little chords and melody in the style of Avicii's sound and show you how you can apply some insanely cool vibes to your tracks by doing the same thing that I'm gonna do in this video. But just make sure you soak up everything I do in this video, because as always, if you watch this video from beginning all the way to the end without skipping off or anything, I guarantee that your songwriting will become at least 20% better. Alright guys, so I have a nice piano here by Kontakt. It's called the Giant, and I'm just gonna write down some chords so we can get this started. And the chords that I'm gonna write are a C minor chord, an E flat, and an A flat. We're gonna write our bass line first. C minor. And then once you have the bass notes, building the chord is easy. All we do is take this and put it an octave up, and then we're going to take the same notes and put the 7 semitones above that note. And then we're going to take it again and fix up these middle notes here in between those 7 semitone notes. And this is going to be a major chord. This is also going to be a major, and minor. So we have a nice cheesy set of chords, and the way that I like to manage my cheesy chords is just simply revoice them by getting these notes to be a little bit more linear than they appear in their basic form. So I'm going to take this and just put it down an octave, and I'm also going to grab this one and pull that down an octave, and then up here I can bring these down an octave as well, and then if we play it we should get a nice tight sound. So what I wanted to show you in today's video is that if we take a top line melody, and this is just a melody that I wrote a little while ago, so in the verse of his songs, you get a really mellow chord progression, most often with a vocal. But then in the bridge, the vocal stops. And what he does is he puts a lot of focus on that lead with a different sounding set of chords. So watch this. We take the same chords. I'm gonna now take this electronic pluck sound and re-rhythm it to the same exact rhythm as this lead here. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna push those notes of the lead. So watch this. Okay, so now we have a set of chords that has the very similar rhythm to the melody. We play it with the melody. And this is something that I hear in a lot of Avicii songs, where he'll have the mellow set of chords playing in the verse, and he might hint the melody with like a pre-melody version of the main melody by removing some notes. And then let's stick them on their own layer. And for this, I'm just going to cut it off with a single band EQ. And I'm going to add a little bit more reverb to it, so we can kind of hear it in the background now of these piano chords. In the end, we're going to have a nice verse that ends here with the mellow chords, and we're going to go into the rhythmic chords coupled with that nice melody, and it's really going to flash that melody in your face. then what you could do is you could keep playing the melody, bring in the drum rolls, the risers, the white noise sweeps, and then just go full power into that drop. But I thought that was a very valuable tip that I could really pass on to you guys. As always, if you want to learn more about chord writing and melody writing and song arrangement and stuff like that, come join me in the EDM bootcamp. The link for the bootcamp is at the top of the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video.